could you know, like that?
Yeah, you could. You'd need, so you can build things that are kind of call it a sled, which is kind of what it sounds like. That actually runs in both of the tracks at the same time. So like, so that's one of the things.
Yeah.
Like this. Find this. There's the slot. So like, this is just kind of overpowering this. It's just not.
Hard to hold it against it. It's not
Right,
stable.
it's not. But if you were in both tracks, it'd be much more stable, and also because there's a track on either side of the blade, which makes it very stable. And so maybe I'll make a sled. But even then, that's a lot of. This is a big enough piece of wood that it's still kind of sticking out. But like, so if I was doing this cut, I would probably be holding it like this and pushing it through.
Yeah.
Where, let's see, how am I describing what pressure I'm exerting? Like with this hand, I'm down and forward and maybe just a little bit to the side. So kind of
Okay.
like this
so
a little
not
bit.
crushing it against there, but
Right. And then
steady, yeah.
and this hand is pushing forward and to the side as well. And then actually that feels okay. But you can actually just put the blade down. And just see how it feels. So it feels controllable. And this is only right, and you're going to be getting out here, and so like.
Now that's going to be a little, something.
Well, at that point, it'll be through the. It'll be through cutting, and you'll just be pushing through. Like once the wood gets past probably right about there,
Yeah.
it's going to separate.
So that won't be part of the picture
this
anymore.
will stop, and at that point, you're not. There's no resistance here anymore, and so there's. You still have to make sure that you're pushing it through at an even rate, but it'll be a little bit easier. And also when you're getting big things like this, it's nice to have either an outfeed table, which we don't have, or another human being standing here that can take the big piece of wood for you. Also because when you get to the piece of wood about here, and it's like wood,
That's one.
Having something that can like take the
Okay.
So if you want, you can just go for it. And
let's give it a try here. So
actually, I mean, have you ever used a tabletop before?
No, I haven't.
Okay.
I don't think so.
Let's have you do one cut that's not a semi-advanced cut first. Have you do a. I would like you to cut this to 6 inches wide. That's what you probably plug it in.
That helps with the power tools.
That helps with the power
All right, let's see.
No power, no tool.
Okay, good, 6 inches.
The one thing I would say is you were like way over here.
Yeah.
You can be a little bit more in the middle. It'll give you a little bit better control over the piece.
Yeah.
I'm sure you were just trying to stay away from the blade, which is great, totally great, love that. But you'll actually, it might even be a little bit safer to be in more. It's probably safer to be more in control.
Yep.
And slightly closer to the blade. And also because like here, you're just gonna have a tendency to kind of like push, like torque it out. You're not able to hold against the fence as
Got
much.
it.
But that was good.
Okay, good.
And just like you want a flat surface against the fence, you want generally a flat surface on the table. Whatever that is.
How do you feel about putting your phone number up here?
That's fine.
Precise remark there. All right.
Like a little bit weird there right at the end of the cut, as
Yeah.
it lost its own structure and this piece started to just like bend out and crack that little tail end.
Yeah.
That
Yeah.
happens with big heavy pieces of wood. That'll happen.
Mhm.
But yeah, that was good.
All right. Nice.
Got a nice clean cut on there.
Yeah. Yeah.
I've got this pretty decently adjusted.
Mhm.
It's yeah, it shouldn't misbehave at all.
Rocking.